Are your Arellia Thycotic apps crashing due to the Arellia Agent Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To kick off the Arellia Agent Library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Arellia Agent Library, the execution library for the Arellia, now Thycotic, Privilege Management Agent. It manages the localized policy-based elevation for standard users in corporate environments. If missing, users will be unable to run software with admin privileges, citing a privilege management module load failure. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Arellia Agent Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Arellia Agent Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be aware that manual interventions for Arellia Agent Library DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Arellia Agent Library. If you've regained access to Arellia Agent Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.